Hey guys, it's R.V.C. here, and I'm back again with another video. And this one's for anyone running a OnePlus 7T, especially if you've flashed Lineage OS, because I ran into a problem. A big one. Network issues. Dropped signal, no service, data just refusing to work, on a device that's otherwise still a beast in 2026. So today, I'm walking you through exactly what happened, why Lineage OS gave me grief on this device, and why I ended up switching to Evolution X instead. So, here's the setup. OnePlus 7T, flashed with Lineage OS. Everything's smooth at first. Clean UI, decent battery life, no bloat. But then, the network starts acting up. Signal bars flickering, dropping to 0, coming back, dropping again. Sometimes it's a baseband mismatch. Sometimes it's the modem firmware just not playing nice with the ROM. And on older devices like the 7T, this is more common than people admit. Now, I didn't want to go back to stock Oxygen OS. I still wanted that custom ROM experience. So I looked around, and Evolution X kept coming up. Built on AOSP, very close to stock feel, but packed with extra customization. And more importantly, better, more consistent modem and baseband handling on the 7T. I backed up my data, wiped the device, flashed Evolution X, and booted up. First thing I checked, signal. And it held. No drops, no flickering, just a stable connection. Data worked, calls worked, everything just worked. Look, Lineage OS is still a great ROM. It works beautifully on a lot of devices. But on the OnePlus 7T specifically, if you're dealing with network issues, Evolution X might just be the fix you need. It's stable, it's customizable, and for me, it solved the one problem that mattered most. If you're running into the same signal issues on your 7T, drop a comment and let me know. I'll help however I can. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.